It's 102 feet.
102 feet.
You can see
Yeah.
all of that is just the aggregate left. I have a little hole right there in the connection. You will see it's all, basically most of the pipe is gone, and you can see the wall of the next pipe. Okay. That is at 97.
What is, oh, 97.
97 feet. That's where we have that little gap. See the rest of the. You can see. You can see the wall of the next pipe.
Yeah.
It's all even. That's when you. On this one, just the connection. It looks fine. The whole bottom of the pipe is gone, and you can see traces of paper left.
Yeah.
On the gravel.
Yeah.
A little bit of water. You have a belly, small belly.
How far is that?
Not much. 77, which is 72 minus 5 feet.
72 feet. There's a belly.
Yeah, just a little bit of water,
Yeah.
like half an inch.
Yeah.
It means there's less pipe left on that little place. Okay, there's some more.
Yeah.
A little bit of pockets of water.
Little
That's
belly.
where.
There's
And
a
you can
pipe
see this.
sagging there.
No, it's just you can see here.
It's just worn
It's
out.
it's a hole right there where the
Yeah.
water is extending,
Yeah.
and you can see the walls. See the separation? It's due to the erosion of the pipe. That's a turn connection, so that's fine. We have another hole here. You can see water extending.
Right.
On every connection you will see that. See? Another connection. Water extending
Another
on the hole.
connection
On
from
every
where?
connection you will see a hole.
Where are you seeing that at? 'Cause
Oh.
I didn't think there's anybody on this pipe except me and one neighbor.
See, this is those connections. When the water runs, it hits the pipe
Right.
and it does this.
Right.
It creates.
Scours it.
So it erodes faster
Right.
at the connection.
Right.
That's why you see holes
I see.
and all that
So there's a
concrete and
hole.
everything that goes into the sewer. So on every connection you will see that.
So there's a hole right there in
Yeah.
that one?
You can see where the water is
Yeah.
extending there. Those are little holes created by the by time, water, erosion.
Yeah.
See, on every connection you will see it. Because the water hits the wall, this
Right.
wall,
Right. Right.
goes around and around, degrading the eroding the pipe.
Right.
Other than that, the pipe is in really good shape.
Hmm.
See, it's just a little bit of standing water on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And pockets of water on every connection.
Yeah.
Every connection has it.
Yeah.
And this is the beginning of pipe. This is where the two of you are connected to it.
Right.
The 6 inches,
How much water we got left in that pipe at the bottom?
and then reduction to 4 inches, and there's no more water anymore. So,
Mission accomplished so far.
oh, you got a belly here,
Where at?
just here.
Right here.
Small.
What do you think that's from?
That's a PVC pipe.
Hmm?
Coming out of the house, it does not have enough.
Doesn't have
Full.
enough.
So it's you can say it's flat.
Yeah.
That's why the water is just standing there.
Okay.
You get like half an
No.
inch, a little bit more.
Is that going to be an issue?
No?
I'm wondering if I ought to get the house jacked up a little bit here at the foundation or something.
Plus does the house settling a little bit down, I guess.
I'm sure it
Because
is.
you do have enough full. From that point, it goes down.
It's okay.
It goes
Yeah.
down.
Good.
So,
This was a problem at one time, what you're talking about there.
see,
They corrected a lot of that.
that's
They sawed that original iron pipe off there and reconnected.